rope, maybe you untangle it. It's not what it seems to be. It's not sloppy feelings that I didn't need. Daylight, like a needle set aside. It's not here where I wanna be, and I really don't wanna be anywhere. It's not here where I wanna be. It's not here where I wanna be. It's not here where I wanna be, and I really don't wanna be anywhere. It's not here where I wanna be. It's not here where I wanna be. I don't know, maybe because there is so many things to know, and a message waiting for to be sent. We're a little pigs in the deepest corners of my mind. You gotta help for me to say, your mama don't give a damn. It's not your mother, she's your friend. Your daddy is really ill, screaming, starving, digging in. Nobody's gonna help you when you're down and out, and it's coming to smack your sweet soul to the ground. Oh, sister soul, won't you come for me? Sing me to your own soul. Your brother don't know that it's envy and anger left a big hole. Sister soul. Common people don't have idea. Fiddling and playing, but taking on her bed. Every time she can scratch back, break me apart, and fold me cracked. Find a cheap hotel that you can sidetrack. When the moon is high, you can tear it down and got no place to go. Whoa, whoa, da-da-da-da-down. When the moon is high, you can talk us down. Your mom will never know. Whoa, yeah. Like you tune out on a brain, I will hear you just the same. Like you climb on flying bed and escape to a cold day. Dead because of death. reason for taking control, spinning me round and let me fall. There's no reason for taking control, spinning me round and let me fall. There's no reason for taking control. I'm so lazy to think I get tangled up in your world. Try to smoke a cigarette, I wish it will last. I don't know any clever, but still I wish I can. I don't do anything that you want from me, though I wish I did. I'm so lazy to even speak, rather stupidly stay. The troll grenade at me, ever shooting the movie. Some part of me is right on like a mean inside my best for long stories. Me how we get it. I'm not doing anything that you want from me, though I wish I did. I'm so lazy to even rather stupidly stay. So I only catch the ones like why go out when I have my sunny found underground? Why go out when I have my sunny found underground? Why go out when I have my funny sound under? I'm so lazy to think I get tangled up in your world. Trying to smoke a cigarette, I wish it will last. I don't know any clever, but still I wish I could. Throw a grenade at me, I'm not sure that will move me. You gotta be, it's right on like a mean inside my pencil box, so it's